Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Manas Adhikari and I am 9 years old. So in today's video, we're going to be finding the area of the region enclosed by the parabola y equals to 2 minus x squared and the line y equals to negative x. So before we get started, please like and subscribe to my channel. So now let's get started. So first, I have to sketch the graph of the parabola y equals to 2 minus x squared and the line y equals to negative x. So now I'm going to draw my x-axis, my y-axis. So now we know that the graph of y equals to 2 minus x squared is the same as the graph of y equals to negative x squared shifted 2 units up. So it will look something like that. So now I have to sketch the line y equals to negative x. So now that will be something like that. So now we have to find the x values of the point of intersection, and in order to find that, we have to make 2 minus x squared equals to negative x. So now we have 2 minus x squared. Oh, sorry, how's that? 2 minus x squared is equal to negative x. So now on both sides we add x. Okay, so now we have negative x squared plus x plus 2 is equal to 0. So now on both sides we divide by negative 1. So now we know we have x squared minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So now we have to find the factors of negative 2 that get the sum of negative 1. And that will be negative 2 and positive 1. So that means that x minus 2 times x plus 1 is equal to 0. So that means you have x equals to 2 and x equals to negative 1. So now we know that negative 1 is here. We know that 2 is here. So and now we know that the region enclosed is this region. So now we know that f of x and g of x is continuous on the closed interval negative 1 comma 2, and f of x is greater than or equal to g of x. So now we get, I have to erase this first. And that. So now we get a is equal to integral of negative 1 to 2 of f of x minus g of x, which f of x is 2 minus x squared. We have minus of g of x, which is negative x. So we know that negative of negative x is positive x, parenthesis closed, and then we have dx. So now we know that a is equal to, we know that integral of 2 is 2x. So I have 2x, and then minus x cubed over 3 because that's the integral of x squared. And then plus, we know that the integral of x is x squared over 2. We know that is in parentheses and from negative 1 to 2. So first we have to plug in x equals to 2. So we have 4 minus, and we know that 2 cubed is 8, and then 8 over 3, and then plus, we know that 2 squared is 4, and 4 over 2 is 2. When we do minus, and parentheses, now I have to plug in negative 1. So we know that negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. And then we have minus negative 1 cubed is negative 1, and negative 1 is positive 1. So positive 1 over 3. And then plus, we know that negative 1 squared is 1, and then over 2, and the parenthesis closed. So now we know this is equal to, we know that 4 plus 2 is 6. So we have 6 minus 8 over 3. So now we can distribute this. So we have plus 2 minus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2. So now I'm going to erase this. And that. So I'm going to copy this here. 6 minus 8 over 3, and then plus 2 minus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2. So now we have to find the least common denominator, which is 6. This is over 1, and this is over 1. Let's multiply this by 6, and multiply this by 6, multiply this by 2, multiply this by 2, and multiply this by 6, and multiply this by 6, and then multiply this by 2, multiply this by 2, then multiply this by 3, and multiply this by 3. So now we know that 36, we know that 6 times 6 is 36, so I have 36, and then minus 8 times 2 is 16, and then plus, we know that 2 times 6 is 12, and then minus, we know that 1 times 2 is 2, and then minus again, we know that 1 times 3 is 3, and that whole over 6. So now we know that 36 plus 12 is 48. And now I have to do negative 16 minus 2, which is negative 18. And negative 18 minus 3 is negative 21. So negative 21, and then over 6. So now this will be equal to, we know that 48 minus 21 is 27. So 27 over 6. We know that is equal to, in lowest terms, that is 9 over 2. So now 9 over 2 is the final answer. Thank you guys for watching my video today.